Sometimes a great job opportunity shows up right in front of us, but that simple profile photo just doesn't communicate professionalism. We all know how time-consuming and expensive professional photography can be. Studio, lighting, editing, and a lot of hassle. Now imagine creating a fully professional headshot using just a few regular selfies, perfect for LinkedIn, a resume, and even personal branding. Today I want us to check out an AI tool that does exactly this for you. Fast, online, and without needing any special equipment. In this video, we'll test it, look at the real results together, and see whether it can actually replace traditional photography or not. All right, let's generate some headshot. We're starting off on the headshot photo homepage. You can see that you can get professional business headshot in 10 minutes. And it's honestly pretty impressive how simple the process is. We'll continue down the page here, and we can see sort of like an overview that it's in 4 simple steps. We're going to upload our photos, we'll pick our background and our attire, and then we'll be able to download our headshots once they've been created. It's meant to feel like a real studio experience, just without going anywhere. But if you're ready to dive in right away, let's do that by clicking the button at the top that says Generate Headshot. Now it's going to prompt you to log in. So I'm going to take a moment to do that, and then we move forward. This screen is where we choose our headshot type. We have the option to create headshots for individual use, or we can choose a team package. If you work in a company and constantly need new employee photos, instead of calling a photographer every time, this kind of solution can really save money. But I'm only doing individual today, so that's what I'll continue with. Now we need to select our plan. There are 3 options available, and this is also where you see the estimated delivery times. The basic plan is $34 and includes 40 headshots with 4 different backgrounds and outfit styles with about a 3-hour turnaround. The next option, the premium plan, costs $39 and gives you 100 headshots plus 10 unique background and outfit styles. For only $5 more, the extra variety makes a big difference because AI images aren't always perfect, so more versions usually means better choices. There's also an enterprise tier for $59 with 150 headshots and 15 styles. But I'm going with the middle option. It says results should be ready in about 30 minutes, so I'll keep an eye on that. My payment has gone through and now it's time to upload the photos. You can use selfies you already have, or take new ones. They give a few quick tips for better images, and once we're ready, we just click the blue button to continue. Next, we add some extra details so the AI can produce more accurate results. After that, we see guidelines for what counts as a good photo. If one doesn't work, you'll see a red X. If it's fine, you'll get a green check mark. There are around 6 photos focused mainly on the face, and 2 that include more torso so the proportions look natural. All of my photos were accepted with green checks, so I'll move on to the next step. Now we choose backgrounds. Since I picked the middle plan, I can select 10, so I mixed city, studio, simple, and scenic backgrounds to compare them. Next, it's time for outfits. There's a huge variety here, like casual clothing, business looks, and even very career-specific uniforms. This can be especially useful if you want your photo to match your profession or personal brand. I finished my selections, and now we review everything one last time. I'll accept the terms and submit. The generation process starts, and I've noted the time. A nice surprise, and only 7 minutes later, I received the email saying my photos were ready. Much quicker than I expected. Let's open the results. We get a brief message explaining that not every headshot will be perfect, which is true. Sometimes AI creates slightly odd expressions or strange details. That's exactly why generating more images helps. You always end up with several excellent ones. Looking through the gallery, I'm already seeing some really nice options. The lighting feels realistic, the backgrounds blend well, and most of the faces look natural, not overly edited or fake. It genuinely gives that studio makeover feeling. Of course, there are a few where I think that doesn't totally look like me, and 1 or 2 where the mouth looks strange, but that's expected. What matters is that there are multiple headshots I'd confidently use for LinkedIn, my website, or even my resume. And honestly, the mix of backgrounds and outfits is great. You could easily pick different styles depending on where you want to use each photo. If you're a freelancer, student, employee, manager, or content creator, or just someone focused on personal branding, this tool can save both time and money compared to booking a photographer while still giving a polished, professional result. I'm really curious what you think. Do you feel AI headshots can fully replace traditional studio photos? Or are they more like a temporary solution? Let me know in the comments. If you want to try it yourself, check the description. I've added the headshotphoto.io link along with a discount code so you can test it. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.